Well, Hannah, we're in another cave. You got a glove.
I don't need that.
What do you know about this cave?
I've heard of it before. It's gonna be a cool cave. But where do we go?
I don't know, but there's a lot of bats up there on the ceiling.
I'm gonna eat one.
But this is how we got it. Right here. Ready?
Pretty much.
Are you excited?
I think so.
Hannah, are you excited?
No.
Peter, are you excited?
Not that happy.
Well, why don't you get up here and look at this hole and tell me how excited you are.
I was afraid you were going to say that. Oh, man.
I'll rock, paper, scissors for who goes first.
Oh,
Ready?
I'll go first, guys.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang,
Peter, you're gone,
terrible.
buddy. You are gone.
That's terrible.
Yes. How's it looking, Peter?
It gets about 4 inches bigger.
Yeah, that's...
What is rocking?
Just rock them in there.
It's a wetsuit.
Oh, yeah, don't do that too much.
I'm already constricted feeling.
Oh, it's bad, dude. The rate Peter's going, we should be there in 3 hours.
Yeah.
Ow! What, Cole?
Yeah.
What?
Making me second guess this crawler.
You'll love it. You will love it, Cole. Well, we're in about 10 feet out of 500. Are you seeing the animal poop, Peter?
No.
Okay.
Well, my bag just getting pushed into it.
Yeah.
Well, you feel I can go up there and turn around and
Are
come
you
grab
already to the
bag?
turn?
No.
Oh.
But I can't keep going with 2 bags in front of me. It's 3 feet long. And it's gonna be so long to do this.
You gotta just keep rolling them, man.
I don't think I can turn around.
No, you can't turn around. I already know this. If I can get it through here. You guys behind me? Oh my God. This is absolutely wild.
Yeah.
Not fun.
There's speed, man. There's no return.
I'm gonna shut the camera off and get through this. Peter, I've had funner days in my life than this.
Yeah, I can agree.
How's it going, Hannah?
My leg is stuck.
Yeah, it gets stuck in that crack.
I'm stuck in the crack, bro.
You gonna be able to make it?
I don't know.
Hannah, there's a bat over here. Your back's gonna be like almost brushing him, so watch out, okay?
I'm gonna eat that bat. I'm just gonna decide I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat it.
All right, I'm gonna keep moving
I can't
forward.
look in front of me.
I'm gonna keep moving forward, okay?
I can't look. Oh, there.
Oh, yeah, Peter. We are to the room.
Lives a little bit.
He is not having fun.
I know he's not. Sounded like he was pretty scared.
Yeah, he's freaking out. I am freaking. You are freaking out, man. What movie's that? Let me get down. Oh, I'm stuck. Anna, you might not want to bring your bag.
What?
Don't bring your bag. You will not fit.
Are you calling me fat?
No, I cannot fit with my bag, so. Whoo! Shit. That is deep. Cole lied to us. Woohoo! Yes. I love this shit. Dude, this is a cool looking pit. Wow, this is cool. Now I have to swing or something, they say. Ah, that's cool. That's pretty sick. Man, this is amazing. That was pretty cool. Oh, wow, dude. That is gnarly. Cool. Cool thing is I'm waiting for Hannah to come down. She's actually hooking up by herself this time. But there's a passage that looks like down here, down the street level, that looks pretty wild. It goes that way. All pretty cool. But what our map told us was that actually about right there, I'm supposed to pendulum swing and get off right there. I couldn't do that coming down. I didn't have enough swing. So I think Hannah's on her way. How you doing, Hannah? Cole, you gotta do it! This is awesome! This is the most beautiful pit I've ever seen! What? Come all the way down real quick, please. Come down so you can get out of the water. Oh, you're flying, dude. Get out of the water. That's cool, wasn't it?
I think that's cool.
Huh?
That was the fastest I went.
Yeah, that was sweet. You did good.
Looks warm now.
You're bobbing hot?
Yeah.
Check this out, Hannah. Look, it goes down even deeper. But we look up there. We were supposed to pendulum over to there and get off.
Now what?
I don't know. We're gonna have Peter. We're gonna swing him over with the rope. Yeah, you can, hey, if there's another pit, stay away from it. But yeah, check it out a little bit. Keep an eye, make sure nothing's gonna fall. What do you see?
Whoa.
What? Oh, the water's falling through the floor?
The waterfall, yeah.
Yeah, is it cool looking?
Yeah.
I'll hop down there and see. I don't want to get my feet wet. Oh, that's cool.
That's pretty neat.
I'm gonna check this out real quick, Hannah. Can you see if Peter's coming down right there? Or no? Whoa, dude. This just keeps going. Hannah's making sure Peter got down, but this just keeps going. Like, I want to get down, but I don't want to get my feet wet. It's a long way up. Okay. I'm going for it. Hannah! Whoa! Man, I am for sure bringing a group here. This is wild. Oh man, there's the second pit. Big waterfall. I gotta go back and get those guys. This is sweet.
Get on the water a little bit.
Huh? Yeah, it sucks. You're almost there. Huh? We will another time. All right, dude, I can barely see you on the camera. I'll see you when you get up there. Oh my God. Oh my God. This thing has so much. I'm gonna have to frog it, dude. Dude, this sucks. This rope is terrible. I thought we had this talk before about doing pits in the middle of the night.
What about it?
We're supposed to do them in the morning.
Why?
When our arms are fresh.
Oh yeah?
My arms are dead already. Only halfway. This pit is absolutely wild looking right here. Looking up.
Yeah, it's pretty big, it's pretty wide.
I'll tell you one thing. I do not enjoy climbing these ropes and I forget about it. Like every time I go down, I'm like, man, it's not gonna be the time. Whoa! What was that?
I have no idea.
Did you throw something?
What?
Did you throw something?
No. That came down from you.
That's kind of scary. That's scary, Peter.
I know.
Dude, how are we gonna get all of this stuff
We have 5 bags.
out of the cave?
I know. I think we have 6 bags actually.
Yeah.
Cole brought his.
We're gonna have to take 2 trips back in here through that passage.
That's 2 bags each person.
Oh man. All right.
I'm only carrying 1 bag.
All right, let's keep on keeping on, man. I see a little bat hanging out there. He's gonna try to peck my eye out. I think. What? Yep. Give me the rabbis. Isn't that what bats carry? They carry the rabbis? Something like that?
Something like that.
I think that's what it is. Oh. Oh, Peter, this sucks. Here, turn your light away.
What does that look like?
It looks like glowy rock.
That's cool.
Yeah, we got glowy rocks. Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
This absolutely sucks, Peter.
Yeah. I don't know who told us to come here.
This is a not very well thought through situation here.
I should have made this bigger.
Hannah, are you out? Yeah. How much further does it go? Can you see us? No. Our light? Oh no.
It's been a while, man.
We're waiting for Peter to get out of the hole. And we're gonna get out of here. But look at all the bats. You got one there, 2 there, there. One way back there.
I'm a bat.
One over there, you're a bat?
Yeah.
You got a big bat right there. But yeah, this that cave was tight and exhausting. We're gonna get out of here though.